Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can install GoLogin on your laptop. So, installing correctly is essential to ensure that your browser works smoothly for account management and privacy protection. So, the first thing that you will have to do is go to gologin.com/download/. So, you do have to make sure that you're on this specific link right here. And once you're here, what you will have to do is either choose Windows, Linux, Macs, or Mac M series. It really depends on your OS. So anyway, what you will have to do once you've already chosen your version, you'll just have to click download, and then you'll just have to wait for it to download, of course, and it may take a while. But anyway, once it's downloaded, the what you will have to do is you will just have to install the application by clicking it, and then of course you will follow the installation wizard, and then you will click next, and then click install, and then finish. And then after that, you will just have to open your GoLogin, of course, launch the app, and then log in or sign up to your account. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.